Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to teach you how to solve quadratic equations on a TI-84 plus C graphing calculator using the Polynomial Root Finder app. So the first thing that we're going to do is turn it on, obviously. Once we turn it on, we are going to use the apps button located right here to solve this. To solve quadratic equations on the calculator, we're going to use option number 9. We can do this by hitting the number 9. Since we're going to solve quadratic equations, we're going to use the first option, Polynomial Root Finder. We can either just hit enter from here or press the number 1. All the settings on this one are good right now, so we can just hit the green alpha button and the F5. Now we're going to enter this on there. X squared is the same thing as 1x squared, so we can leave that alone. Minus 2x minus 8. Once we do this, we're going to hit the green alpha button and the F5 to solve it. This quadratic function has two answers, x equals -2 or x equals 4. So those are the answers to this quadratic function. I hope this video was very helpful. Be sure to check out my other videos on my channel for other calculator tutorials. Thank you, and have a great day.